The QR code, another handy tool for consumers in this high-tech world. It's a two-dimensional barcode made up of black and white squares that stores encoded information.
Typically when you scan them, it'll take you to a website, so you can put them on a poster or on a product. People can scan them and their phone will pick it up.
They're used for everything from grocery shopping to renting bikes in China. And that's one of the ways criminals have been operating, by covering QR codes with stickers bearing fake codes.
There are actually tools you can download right off the internet or even on the internet without downloading anything that will let you make a QR code of your own.
Those fake codes can lead to trouble.
When you scan a QR code, you have no idea where it's going to take you. It could take you to some malicious website which might try to install a virus on your phone.
Scammers can then steal private information and money from a user's phone or account. Recently, in the southern city of Guangzhou, reports say more than $14 million were stolen from people via fake QR codes.
Whatever techniques we come up with to stop them, the criminals will find a way to get past them and come up with new QR codes they can use against us.
The problem with QR codes is you can't tell whether they're legit just by looking at it, but there are steps you can take to protect yourself.
When you scan a QR code and it takes you to a website, look at what that website is. If you're scanning a Amazon package and it says Amazon.com, that's a good sign. If it says evilcompany.com or any other URL, treat it the same way you would treat a random email.
Social media sites like WeChat have a security feature that help weed out the good and the bad QR codes. Despite the risks, QR codes remain popular in China. According to the China Internet Network Information Center, nearly half of respondents in one survey who use the messaging service WeChat said they use QR codes. They're the sixth most popular activity after social chatting and subscribing to product or service channels. In the United States, use of QR codes is growing. Statistics from research company Nielsen Scarborough show the number of internet users who scanned a QR code within the last month jumped 56%, from more than 16 million in 2013 to more than 25 million in 2016. Experts say just like with any technology, it's important to be vigilant, but also put the dangers in perspective.
We already have a lot of risk from people sending us malicious emails and tricking us to click on ads on websites. So compared to that kind of risk, QR codes are really a kind of very small piece of the problem.
Frances Coe, CGTN, Baltimore, Maryland.